Kidam tangani Chokihola Higher Secondary School along annual sports meet surhini rank korapho kapado ponlo. La sohut school students mati loke charli also mara tumpen pinangan ason kipatu padopon. Bangso annual sports meet surhini rank korapho Chokihola Higher Secondary School patho klamalong kipadopon hut aluhia mana peng pen kachitong dun Reverend Sister Risalind Lingdo, Headmistress of Assumption High School, Sunil Tiso, Social Worker, Rovelson Inti, Retired NMA, Nilip BPHC, Devinson Rongpi, Village GB, Suresh Tiso, Abarim Maipu, Nilip KCS Zonal Committee, Noah Phangcho, Secretary Nilip Sports Association, Kolom Singh Teron, CEO of the leading site news, Samson Inti News Correspondent of Karbi Anglong Live, Bapuram Rongpi, President School SMDC Lapen Edwardson Ronghang Dun Maipu School SMDC Atum Chitong Dun Si Mayalong RDP Dun Lasoho Dr. Ranjit Ronghang Principal Chokihola Higher Secondary School Alangli Hin Pen Lapuson Annual Sports Meet Surhini Rankora Hockey B Pon Hut Kachitong Dun Take a pot Kachuru Sitami Pajirpon Lapen Halapu Chokihola Higher Secondary School Loke Charlie Amumara tung sitami ason ke pathua jame ke ding pon pedopon si misen pen pachun pon.
Seno la pen ini ngarong lo methang akhai alun arna ma phan ke ro la pen anong ke pathe la kado kabe alun kitok la pen dak ya ko ke student atu sitame ning ke re pen alang litum kilun pen kardom pen kartu pen ke theglong apot juru pig lo
la bangso annual sport pini Chief Guest Sister Risalind Lingdo Kansi opening lo lapen non la bangso event sa bangke pini pendang lo mo 12 fanian si ton pon po lapen non annual function la sa bangke activities bang non lambom lo kasi pini la bangso function matang ta annual sports salong nitum kaduk ave student lapen teaching staff kaduk we to panta nili tumahin kasi gyasa ponar hin pen ningching duglo lapen ladak pini gitong rapetat kithe giding kantum bentat apanta de kachitong ong rapat labang sa event sa long participate on long pot nili pen alang ito apanta kerupilo
Chokihola pen Sanjit Kro la pen Koila Mati pen Samson Inti Karbing Long Live